Download Tuya Smart app, register an account, and log in. Add device, choose security, and choose Wi-Fi download. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password, and next. Then we come to the download setting.
By the admin user, for example, the admin fingerprint.
Authentication successfully.
Enter the card key.
Register user, press 1. Delete user, press 2. System settings, press 3. About
3.
Volume settings, press 1. Launch mode settings, press 2. Network settings, press 3. Hotspot connection, press 1. Smart connection, press 2. Press app
2 for smart connection. And then the numbers is blinking.
And waiting for the download connection.
Operation success. System exit.
And done. We could send the remote upload request in the download. Press the doorbell ring.
Requesting remote unlock.
And click to open the moderate.
Authentication successfully.
We can also set the remote dynamic password.
Authentication successfully.
Or we could set the temporary password. For example, I am the house owner, and I would like to send my renter, Mary, a temporary password for 1 month. Get the rent entry. The effective time to be today, and the end time for the month. Done. We could check the I'm not record scared. And eliminate of the fingerprint to associate my name. For example, Ivanka. See.